movie trailers are brought to this court to be judged if they're worthy for your money or not. Welcome to Trailer Court. Everyone please rise for the trailer judge. All right, sit down. Everyone sit down. We're here to judge the trailer for Dungeons and Dragons, the movie. Would the defendant please present the evidence of the trailer?
Yes, Your Honor. If I may start out with a few facts here. Dungeons and Dragons has been around since 1974 and over 9.5 million players and fans worldwide. The trailer alone right now has over 2.88 million views. The Dungeons and Dragons trailer that we are reviewing today has some of the best comments of people wanting to see it. The hype is already there. Another film in the franchise that will please Dungeons and Dragons fans worldwide. Take, for instance, Green Night Table posted, "It's always great to stumble across a movie you didn't know you were waiting for your whole life." Exhibit number 2, Herbal Extract posted, "As a bard player, we didn't mean to unleash the greatest evil the world has ever known, but we are going to fix it. It gets me going. Ha ha ha."
Thank you, defendant. We will go look at the evidence right now. We will preview this trailer here in court. Thank you so much for sticking by. Bailiff, can you get that trailer started?
Here's the thing. We're a team of thieves. And when you do this, you're bound to make enemies. Sometimes those enemies come looking for revenge. Truth be told, we helped the wrong person feel the wrong thing. We didn't mean to unleash the greatest evil the world has ever known. But we're gonna fix it.
So how do we pull that off? Figure it out over a drink?
Probably best. Give us a fighting chance. We're gonna need strength. You got this, right?
I know you don't.
We also need courage, magic, and you. What is that again? Now that. You won't. There is evil here.
Glad he's on our side.
This one's dangerous. But whatever happens, we'll be ready.
Exactly that you bring to this.
I'm a planner. I make plans.
You've already made the plan, so
If the existing plan fails, I make a new plan.
you make plans that fail.
No,
He also plays the lute.
not relevant.
I can't believe we just sat through that. We need to hear from the plaintiff, the over the hype attorney. What do you have to say?
First of all, I feel that the movie is, as a concept, is very misleading. Dungeons and Dragons is a very popular game. People play the game and make decisions that affect the outcome. It gives them a sense of control in this crazy world where everything else is so out of control. I mean, we got war, we've got the pandemic we're still dealing with. This is the one little bit of control that Dungeons and Dragons fans have left. They expected to go to a movie like this, expecting a more interactive experience, and instead, they're just going to sit and watch it played out for them for a couple hours. How is this different from any other fantasy movie?
What do you
Second
say?
of all-
Go. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I mean, great concept for a game, not a good concept for a film.
Yes, virgin lawyer.
Your Honor, it's action, it's adventure, fantasy, and comedy rolled into one. It also features dragons and an orifice. Who wouldn't want to go into an orifice deep inside the woods? Am I right? It's like, come on, it's an amazing movie. Jonathan Goldstein is one of the directors. He's also directed Spider-Man Homecoming, which is a brilliant film, and he did not disappoint fans then, so he won't disappoint fans now.
Yeah, I saw that stone dragon in the trailer. The gargoyle in front of my building can probably do better acting. In fact,
come
he does
on.
better acting than the human cast.
Oh, come on. The human cast. You want to talk about the human cast? They have Michelle Rodriguez. Hello. She is part of the Fast and the Furious franchise and also Machete. It's like she knows what the hell she's doing. And there's Chris Pine, who also stars in the film. He's been seen in the Wonder Woman franchise, and he even voiced Peter Parker in Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. It literally has an all-star cast.
Yeah, that's right. Didn't Michelle Rodriguez also star on Lost? She looks like she got lost and somehow ended up on this set.
Do you have any closing arguments, the Virgin Lawyer?
My closing argument is this. The Dungeons and Dragons trailer looks amazing, and I, for one, I'm going to go see it hands down, dice out.
And you, over the hype attorney, do you have a final statement?
I just really don't think this will live up to the hype. I don't see this being any different than any other action fantasy movie. I mean, you could stay home and watch, what's that thing on HBO? House of the Dragon or whatever, or Game of Thrones for free.
Well, although HBO Max does cost money, I do agree.
I'm a regular HBO. It's probably streaming somewhere.
Oh yes, it's probably, you could probably pirate it for free somewhere. Yes, you're right. Let me deliberate about this for a second. I've come to a decision. Dungeons and Dragons is not worthy of your cash. Chris Pine is walking through this movie. Looks like he just phoned it in. Michelle Rodriguez, again, looks like she's phoning in. I have to agree with over the hype attorney. This movie looks like it should have been released on video on demand already. Dungeons and Dragon geeks, there's 4 of them in New Jersey. They'll be going and watch this, but there's not enough to make this a blockbuster. For Dungeons and Dragons movie trailer, I deem it unwatchable. Case dismissed.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Trailer court? This was supposed to be trailer court. I thought D&D was meant for drugs and dick. What kind of case is this? Ain't nobody got time for this shit. I'm out of here.
Well, trailer court, I don't know, the kind of trailer court I'm used to is just bunch of trailers, nobody in charge, nobody saying what somebody else needs to do, it has to do with, I don't know.
This has been an oddly funny production.